Okay, let's look at buttons. So we want to add a button to our website. Pretty simple to do. Let's go to Bootstrap and look up buttons. That first link. There's a bunch of different buttons that they have, and because it's Bootstrap, all of these colors are built in to the CSS. So let's just grab a warning or maybe a danger button. So I'm going to copy this button text. I'm going to bring it over and paste it in. And if we look, it doesn't look the same. Well, that's because we created this new pen and we did not yet tell it that we need to use Bootstrap. So we have to remember to go to our settings, go into our CSS, type in Bootstrap, and that first one, Twitter Bootstrap. And we also need to add it to our JavaScript. So we're going to come in here and do Bootstrap, and we need jQuery as well. Then we save and close. Well, that button turned red after we added it in the CSS because the classes are CSS. So there's our danger button. Now it isn't centered in a page, it's right up at the top. So I might want to move it. In order to do that, let's wrap this in a container. So we'll add a div. Remember, container is another built-in Bootstrap function, or class, sorry, not function. And then I'll just indent my button. So now my button is naturally indented because it's inside a container. But in my container, I'd like to make sure that I can move my button center and maybe down the screen a little. So I'm going to display flex and justify content center. And I'm going to add padding to the top, maybe 50 pixels. And that will push my button down in the center of my screen. Nothing else happens because I haven't added any JavaScript when I click on it, but we'll look at that in the next video.